Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to download themes or add theme on your Android. The first thing you do is from your home screen, you just press down like this, and to give you some options at the bottom you can see theme. Tap on theme to open up a Galaxy theme, and then scroll down to the one you want. Let's say I want to download this particular one, Blue Mushroom. It's free. I tap on it. Bottom here I see download. Tap on download. Downloading, as you can see, and it's in, completing download. And once it's done, we're going to install it and see how it is. We're going to apply the theme on our Android. So tap on apply. Applying theme. Right now it's on 0%. Just give it a few seconds. See 37% and 100%. So give a few more seconds. It's applying the theme to mine. As you can see, it is applied. It's as simple as that.